Hello, once again, we are back on this platform called We Capacitate. Alone I am nothing, together we capacitate. Life is all about sharing superb ideas, creating value addition in someone's life, doing something amazing in our livelihood, isn't it? And to know how is it possible, what we can do. And finally, this is a place where we talk about why not network marketing. To get an idea and understanding and clarity about a network marketing industry, it is precisely called as a direct selling industry also. But what happened when we talk to people outside the world with half information? Sometimes we miss on a wonderful opportunity because we really do not know what is going on. Today, let me tell you, today is a wonderful and amazing day, and it is a special privilege, I would say, to this platform that we have Abandon Harish Mehta. His name is Mr. Harish Mehta, but he writes Abandon Harish Mehta. Just few seconds back, I was asking sir, why you write abandon? And he said that when there is no scarcity, only one thing is there, the opposite of it, and that is abundant. And that is why he writes Abandon Harish Mehta. Imagine a man who has spoken to 100,000 people across the world and also working with n number of corporate organizations, multinational companies, and various platforms. He's creating miracles with his speeches, talks, motivational stories, and life-changing conversation with everyone. There is something more to learn from this man because everything is just starting for him. He has a dream and mission to talk to more than 90,000 people still to go in his lifetime. And with all this, there is so much to express and share. And today, on this platform, we are going to learn from Harish ji that why not network marketing. He understands and shares this concept very clearly. And let me tell you, if you missed on this opportunity listening to this recording is available on School of Financial Freedom YouTube channel. You can subscribe, like, and share with others. With one reason, because the man talks about dreams. If you have dreams, if you have something to look forward for your life, if you have something where you want to create miracle for you and for your family, we will talk about exponential growth with Harish Mehta. So welcome sir, thank you so much for accepting this wonderful opportunity, and there is so much to know. I think the gray hair speaks more than anything else. Your experience of life, your simplicity to talk, and there is a spark. I think this is what I feel when I spoken to you over the phone. I feel that spark. So why not network marketing, sir? Our audience wants to know something up from your side. First is that why you insist on this industry so much, number one. And second is that we want to know who is Harish Mehta.
Okay, let me speak about the second first, and then I'll speak about who is Harish Mehta. I've been speaking for the last 9 years, addressing people on the law of attraction, and then coaching them how to attract more of what you want and less of what you don't want in your life. During these last 16 months today, we have completed May. And this started way back in February, March of 2020. I have been grounded and not flown for the last 16 months. I should travel every alternate day, sharing my thoughts, sharing my mind with the people around the world. Now, what has this pandemic created? It has created opportunities for people to listen, learn, and grow. Listen, learn, and grow sitting at home. And what better when you listen, learn, and make money? Now, when I see my wife, my neighborhood, being served by Amazon 3 times a day, 5 times a day, I see that they have familiarized themselves with online shopping, be it 250 rupees, 500 rupees, 1000 rupees. or 5,000 rupees. And they have got a credit card with them. So they have created an opportunity for themselves to buy online. This thought came to me that the world over, people have been sitting at home and marketing products for reputable organizations, companies, brands, and making money. Who are you eliminating? You are eliminating the people who were in the distribution channel business. Whether the markup was 5 times, 3 times, 2 times, or 10 times. So, if people have gathered together and decided that they should make some money sitting at home, apart from working from home, what better than do this? Create a network of people who will be able to collect together, bring together, and make their people aware that there is so much to give and there's so much to share, and especially those products which are required every single day. I think apart from bread and butter and eggs maybe, everything today is delivered over the counter. I mean, I go down my lift 18 floors and my people have collected it. I have to just bring it up. So everything is being delivered. Why not create an environment for people to sit at home and make money? So this thought has triggered, and today here I am speaking with you. How do we make money sitting at home? And you never know. This could be another year, another 2 years. And once you get lazy sitting at home, and once you start making money more and more, you get addicted to this. So I feel this is the best way today to get into this new model for some people, an old model for some people, how to network your resources, your people. And we've been listening this for years. Your network is your net worth.
Absolutely.
Are you increasing your net worth by the day, by the hour, by the minute, or you are sleeping at home? You have a choice either to create value from where you are with the people you are surrounded by and help each other grow. Be it small, and finally it's going to be large. Did we know that this pandemic will be here? No.
No.
Now that we know, and we also know this is not going to go so soon. So why not create another platform, another way for making much more money than you ever did? So I'm happy to share this. I am blessed to talk about this because I do coaching, mentoring, teaching for business owners, leaders, and professionals. I engage with their mind how to grow every single day. And how to grow 10x is one of the things which I talk about. And this is one of the areas where you can add more income apart from what you're doing. So if you ask me, this is the right time for people to enter. And once you get addicted to it, you see how much value you create for yourself and for people surrounding you and you surrounding them. So Ruchi, I'm very happy to speak about this today. And I would like to share also all those who are procrastinating, what do I need to do? Just jump in, speak to Ruchi and get acquainted with her and get addicted to this passive income sitting at home, which becomes your passion.
Wow.
Passive is passion, and passion is going to create continuity, and you will not only grow yourself, but you will grow a lot of people who you care for, who you are concerned about. And I've been thinking for the last few days, some people have been asking me, sir, I lost my job.
Yes, very true.
Some people have been asking me, sir, can you help me be a part of your organization? So I feel this is an opportunity, and a great opportunity which the universe has provided. By sitting at home, not only are you working in your current employment, which of course they have slashed the payments, they've reduced it, but they continue to give you a safety net. And in case you want to build a lifestyle, this is the place to come. My friends who are listening to me and those who will listen to this recording, get in touch with this lady, Ruchi, engage with her and find those extra pennies which will become extra millions over a period of time. So I wish you all well, and this is my opening remark today. Don't sit idle. Use your mind, use your ability, use your strength here to get connected to people and share with them how they can benefit by being a part of this program. We call it network, and the second word is marketing. How do you market not only what we have, but there are a lot of things to market in this world. And as I see, the world is busy distributing it. Only logistics is the need, and the internet is the need, and the payment gateway is the need. Once you have sorted these three things, you see how far, how long you will go in a short period of time.
Wow. So, Harishji, one more thing I want to say that this is coming out from India's leading business coach, who is talking about direct selling industry precisely and clearly, and giving his opening statement to the show that this is the time to go for this industry. So why it's been like other countries, people are doing networking, and network marketing industry is flourishing like hot cake. It's everything is so fast growing there, and people are accepting. In our country, when we talk about India, it is taking little longer time to understand this. And as you are saying, and rightly saying, that your network is net worth, right? So there are so many traditional businessmen, people, those who are having an investing mindset. They invest huge amount of money on any specific project. But when it comes to investing their mindset, time, or skill into direct selling industry, people
I
are
will
scared.
stop you here. I will stop you here. We never used to work from home. We always traveled miles to work and work. Now that concept is dead and buried. Do you see a sudden shift? So you need to shift your mind. The traditional way of buying is going to end. Now it's all visibility on the screen, through the screen, with the screen, and having 24/7 connectivity. You don't need to travel the whole world to get connected. Today, I speak from this side, Australia, to that side, North America, every single day. Earlier, I used to spend thousands of rupees to travel for 3 days, 4 days to USA and come back after a 15-day. End result was the 5-day program. Now here, I am doing 5 programs daily. Do you see the value of time? And value of time converted into value of money is extraordinary. So you need to believe what mental shift you need to do. You need to go to a grocery store or get your grocery at home. I know my children have been bringing food home through Swiggy and all these things every single day. I have not gone out of home for the last 3 months, even to the bank. Why? Why do I need to do that? So, when the comfort is available to you, shift your mind. What do I call today is reset your mindset. I repeat, reset your mindset. Life has changed. You have survived the pandemic. I've got my 2 shots on my arm and I feel safer. I feel I can do much more. Now that you have survived, you need to revive your energy and thrive, create a new environment, build a new program here. I need to do much more than I ever did on my job. That 9 to 5 had to get out of my zone, and now it is 24/7. And this 24/7 has to be with a positive mental attitude, with enthusiasm and self-discipline. You got to live longer now because you got an opportunity to survive. And when you are living longer, you got to give much more to this world. They deserve it. So I insist on people to start thinking how they can add more value, not only to themselves, but add more value to the people around them who are in their so-called net worth. And people say a man is known by the network he belongs to. And I know as you keep growing, you keep moving to the next network. You keep growing and moving to those big dreamers, those massive dreamers, and keep growing here. When this and this are in sync, life is good. And this is what I call prosperity, abundance in the mind, which takes you to abundance in terms of wealth creation, in terms of financial freedom, and in terms of joy. You don't have to worry tomorrow morning. On the 1st of every month, where will I pay my bills from? Do you know you can create so much of passive income every month on your account, 1st of every month, if you receive a credit. I know my investments are bringing me X amount of money every 1st of every month. Be it my rental income, which is one source of income, be it my invested income, and now this income which I will generate passively using my network of people, helping them become better in their livelihood, in their financial transactions, and getting more inflow through this process of direct marketing. And direct marketing is the game which COVID has brought today. And I would re-emphasize, sitting at home, making money is easy, provided you put your heart, your mind, and communicate your feelings. This is the way you can make that income and extra income and more income over a period of time and change your lifestyle, the way you live and the way you want to live in the future.
वाओ अमेजिंग। एंड सर एक और बात मैं आपसे जानना चाहती हूँ कि जब हम नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग की बात करते हैं, पैसिव इनकम की बात करते हैं, वेल्थ क्रिएशन की बात करते हैं, देयर आर सो मेनी मिडिल क्लास फैमिलीज इन इंडिया say 95% people are living in middle class families where their dreams are not awakened. उनको घर पे ऐसा सिखाया जाता है कि जितनी चादर है उतनी पैर पसारो, ज्यादा मत सोचो, बहुत ज्यादा
एक मिनट,
yes,
उनकी सोच, उनकी अपब्रिंगिंग,
yes,
वो फियर माइंडसेट से बड़े हैं। उनका माइंडसेट है थोड़ा, उनका माइंडसेट ये नहीं है। उसकी वजह कौन है? उनकी सोच, उनके माँ बाप की सोच, उनके बाप दादा की सोच। आज मेरे बच्चे पहले पैसा खर्चा करते हैं, फिर सोचते हैं ये पैसे कैसे कमाए जाए। Look at the mindset, because they have got talent, they've got skill, and they have got a mind which says, I can make more money than the amount I spend on those luxuries, those comforts, which is a part of their life. So, education is important. To remove the fear is more important. And remember, there is abundance around. कहीं किसी चीज की कमी नहीं है इस यूनिवर्स में। कोई भूखा नहीं मरेगा। क्यों? क्योंकि यूनिवर्स में सब कुछ है, लेकिन आपको उसको पाने के लिए मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, आपको उठना पड़ेगा, आपको चलना पड़ेगा, आपको दौड़ना पड़ेगा, आपको दूसरे आदमी से ज्यादा करना पड़ेगा ताकि आप वो हासिल कर सकें। लेकिन अगर आप हासिल नहीं करना चाहते तो जहां है वहां से भी बदतर हो जाएंगे over a period of time. So my suggestion is get moving, get connected, and spread this message. Even if ₹1 or $1 comes to you, that is much more than what you were getting. और जिन लोगों की तनख्वाह 25%, 50% कम हो गई है, उन लोगों के लिए और भी जरूरी है कि they should look forward how to use their network. Before they die, the network will also die. So use the network that you are carrying today to carry you through this time. And 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. I promise you, this is going to be addictive. And this addiction you will create not only for yourself, but the people around you. And everybody in this community, if they start working on this program, everybody will benefit. They can speak to you, know more how to get into it, how to do the network, and how to get addicted to that daily, monthly, first of every month, receiving that extra income and saving a lot of money by using those products themselves. And they are world-class products, I am told. And I will soon be using them to share that message, maybe in my next interview.
Wow. And Harishji, one more thing. What is your mission and vision about direct selling industry in coming 3 years' time? Because I think there are so many coaches, mentors, trainers. Still, they're afraid. Still, they are scared to get into this industry. Still, they have some inhibitions, some sort of fear inside. How will it look if I get into direct selling? What will people say? So
मैं दिल की बात बताऊं आपको।
जी सर।
कोई काम छोटा नहीं है। जब आपने मन में ये बना लिया कि कोई काम छोटा नहीं है और इससे मेरी भी बढ़ोतरी होती है, मेरे नेटवर्क की भी बढ़ोतरी होती है, तो वो करना चाहिए। चाहे वो ₹1 का हो, चाहे ₹100 का हो, चाहे ₹1,00,000 का हो। कोई छोटा और बड़ा नहीं होता। पैदा सब वही से होते हैं, अपनी माँ की कोख से। ये छोटा बड़ा हमने बना दिया है। हम चाहते हैं कि एजुकेशन दे लोगों को, इसके बेनिफिट्स बताएं, इसके करने के तरीके बताएं, ताकि लोग इन्फ्लुएंस कर सकें। मैं जानता हूं, I call myself influencer because I'm inspired, motivated to live a new day every day and to influence those people who are surrounded all over, and I'm surrounded by them. Create more value, give more, and ask less. The more you keep giving, the more this is going to grow. Why I'm sharing this today? Because uncertainty for the next 12 months, 18 months, 24 months is the new normal.
Very true.
In this new normal, you have to survive and thrive. Now, with this in mind, what do? You add more value through the time that you have, through the network that you have to grow people here and in their business and in their profession or in their jobs. So growth is not nails and tummy.
Very true.
Growth is here. Every day you grow here, you expand, and when you start saying, I believe in myself, I will do it, I can do it, and I must do it, you see how the mind changes. And I've been teaching this law of attraction for the last 9 years. I know. Ruchi, in life, you get more of what you want when you know what you want.
Wow.
So find out what do you want. And when you work towards finding out well enough, what is well enough? That yes, I need it. Your want needs to become a desire. A desire needs to become a burning desire. And a burning desire will take you to fulfillment. Today, I could never imagine that I could have a flat here in Mumbai, which is worth more than 5 crore rupees when I started my career 43 years back. But today, I can think of creating more financial wealth through the avenues which are available to people. It is because of the knowledge, it is because of the belief, and it is because of the certainty that yes, you have done this, you can do much better, just go about doing it. So that's what we call dream, goal, plan, action, and results. So I want everybody to write their Mount Everest. 4 days back, I've written a note on LinkedIn. What is your Mount Everest? Find your Mount Everest. 27th of May, 1953, Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Sherpa, they found the Mount Everest. What is your Mount Everest?
Wow.
Start working on it and reach your Mount Everest in terms of your health, in terms of your wealth, in terms of financial freedom, in terms of what you need to serve, and in terms of what you need to become. And finally, when you leave, you need to be leaving a legacy behind. People should remember you, that you created this great organization, this great business, and today, not only hundreds, thousands, millions of people are engaged in this sitting at home and doing direct marketing globally. It's a global venture. If today I can reach on this internet anybody, anywhere in the world, in times to come, even in your sleep, you will be meeting people. I promise you. And when you start making money in your sleep, just imagine where you are going to go next 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Make it your passion, make it your purpose, and make it your power. You are born to win, and you need to continue to share this message to the world. We all will win, and winners have got a winning mind, a winning mindset, and a winning attitude. So this is what the message I want you to communicate to the people, and ask them, it's an opportunity to join you in this business of creating wealth for themselves, and the people in their network. This is my story, and I'm proud to share that with you today. Abundant Harish Mehta.
Wow, it was amazing. When you were talking about this, sir, I was thinking that yes, well, you are sleeping and you make money. It's actually a dream because we have never realized all these things. We are not taught, as you said, our upbringing, जहाँ पे हम घर पे बड़े होते हैं, हमें इन सपनों के बारे में बताया नहीं जाता. हमारी कैपेसिटी के बारे में हमें पता ही नहीं होता. When someone like you comes and tells us that yes, it's so simple, it's teachable, it's doable, और yes, you are so humble, sir. चाहे 1 रुपए की बात हो, 10 रुपए की बात हो, 1000 रुपए की बात हो या लाख रुपए की बात हो, छोटा बड़ा कुछ नहीं होता. It's not a small opportunity, small business or small thinking people, they do all this nonsense. And very truly, sir, जो जैसे आप बता रहे हो ना, it looks like that yes, I can see and visualize coming 3 to 4 years time, things are drastically changing as it has already changed in COVID-19 from the first wave onwards. There are so many networkers which I have researched a little bit. उसमें पता ये चला कि उनका जो बिजनेस का मंथली टर्नओवर था, जहाँ पे ट्रैवलिंग का एक्सपेंडिचर बहुत ज्यादा था, समय बहुत बर्बाद होता था, ज्यादा लोगों से मिल नहीं पाते थे, और इसकी वजह से टर्नओवर बढ़ नहीं रहा था. एंड सडनली सिटिंग एट होम इन पेंडेमिक, they started doing multiplying or maybe having almost 1/4, almost double, 20%, 25%, 50% growth every month consistently in the network, because they're able to connect with more people. And as you are saying, sir, I feel it that this is an industry which can change millions of lives. Millions and millions of people are getting into it already. Our country having 140 crore population where everyone can sit at home and do business. There is no scarcity of an opportunity. It's all about change here. And one more thing appeals to me, sir, that growing nail and growing tummy is not a growth. That's absolutely not a growth. It's here. It's here. And every time when I think about this, I'll keep it myself to here also, because your signal is telling me I must think here. And when you change your mindset, everything is possible. Over to you, sir.
I want people to understand. Go fearlessly into it. Have the courage to commit. Have the courage to commit yourself and show yourself that the dream which you have captured is going to be realized. And I use a one-liner you should remember. What you think is what you become. The moment you start thinking that you will become a millionaire, you will become. I will share with you 2012, 25th of May, I was in Las Vegas getting my certification as a business coach. And my guru, Brad Sugar, told me, Harish, you are from today a $1 million coach. Just speaking that, imagine when you're speaking to people, and especially people whom you're coaching to become business coaches, and you said one word, from today, you are on the journey to become a $1 million coach. Similarly, all those people who enter into this zone of direct marketing, they need to visualize they're entering into a territory of ₹1 million or $1 million in the next 12 months, in the next 18 months, in the next 24 months. Just be consistent, be committed, have the belief in you that no job is small. Remember, we have got some great stories. On the railway platform, people used to shine shoes for 50 paisa in my time, 40 years back, and now maybe 5 rupees or 10 rupees. And they have become millionaires just by polishing shoes. People selling Golgappas or Pani Puri have become millionaires because of consistency. Consistency is one word. Do it over and over and over again. Mastery is the word. 10,000 hours is consistency. The commitment that when you take up direct selling of products, you got to sell 500,000 of those products in the next 12 months. That's your commitment. And you have a network around you who believes in you, who shares the same vision that you have. And I promise you, whatever you commit to the mind, whatever you believe, you will achieve. And I am reminded, I read this 24/7, believe and achieve. So, first commit your mind and heart should be in sync. When you commit, you believe, the result is going to happen. Nobody can stop you to achieve your dreams, your goals, and where you need to be in life. Ruchi, I'm reminded of a great story which I used to share when I started this business of coaching. I used to get 25,000 rupees when I left the bank. That is almost 20 years back. And when I started learning the skills of coaching, my guru said, you should make this money what you make in a year, in a month. So 25 by 12 is 300,000, 3 lakh rupees. He said you should make it in a month. And finally he told me, if you can jump up to working 3 days in a month and making 3 lakh rupees, that's the journey that you need to capture. So that dream, what you make in a year, you make in a month, and what you make in a month, you make in 3 days, is going to take you long. And this energy is going to spread like fire. And remember, dreams come true. And only those people who have the skill, who have got the mindset and the belief set that they are meant for much more, are going to reach this destination. And those who are going to be scared, fearful, full of worry and negativity are going to perish. So all those friends of mine who are listening to me, get hold of your mind, get hold of your attitude, and get hold of this Ruchi and connect with her. She will show you the path that you need to travel, and she has a roadmap for you. Just follow it, follow it, follow it.
Sir, it's actually a blessing for me, the way you speak, the way you express your belief, and yes, a commitment toward this system. Sir, I am born and brought up in a typical middle class Gujarati family, where the purpose of graduation was that a girl will get a better boy, at least a good boy, and settle down. That's the only purpose of having a graduation for Indian families. I don't know. It happens so because parents want a girl child to settle down and have a comfortable life around. Every time it doesn't happen the way you want it, every time it doesn't happen. So there are so many ups and downs and a journey, topsy-turvy journey in life. But people like you, like coaches and mentors, and where I connected with, I changed my attitude. I was Gujarati medium student, started learning English from ABCD, and now I'm speaking to you. Itself for me, it's a great achievement. That yes, the most leading coach of this nation is speaking to me. Itself is an achievement. And let me tell you, sir, this platform, We Capacitate, where we definitely say, alone I am nothing, together we capacitate, will definitely create a system. It has a system and will create at least 5,000 millionaires from this coming years. With your guidance, with your support, with your mentorship, and with your complete belief, hand holding. Support is very, very important for people like us, young upcoming networker, young upcoming entrepreneurs. They need your blessings, they need your presence, and such kind of power which you have it inside of you, which we need to capture still in our heart. So, any last remarks, sir, before
I am happy to share, happy to give my knowledge, my belief, and grow those minds who are living a poverty mind, a scarcity mind, to make so much money, to be so abundant in life that they will be full of gratitude every single day that Ruchi changed their life. Ruchi brought that missing in their life, and they will be grateful to you for creating a platform which gives them an opportunity to serve the network and make enough money even while sleeping. So message is, go and meet Ruchi, talk to her and become a member of her platform, and I am there to bless you every time you want me. I will shape your minds and the minds of people who need regular encouragement, regular thought-provoking answers, and the will to design their destiny. So thank you for inviting me. Thank you for choosing to speak to me. And thank you for bringing this in my life today, that opportunities are knocking. Those doors are opening. See your door open and enter and create that massive wealth which awaits you. And I'm proud that today I'm speaking with you on this platform, and I would love to create great business owners with you, along with you, and through you. Not only the business that you do, but other businesses that they can do through this network that we belong to. And I coach, mentor, teach leadership, ownership, management, professionals, and individuals to only one word: grow massive, grow big, think big, and become big. Big is what is required, and that will happen when you dream big, and that life is awaiting you. So once again, thank you very much for calling me and giving me an opportunity to share my mind and share this message to the people in the world. There is opportunity waiting for you. Just go and capture it, and then do what you are guided by, so that you can make those monies, wealth which is awaiting you. Thank you very much. Thank you. I am blessed. And today I spoke from my heart and my mind, and all those people who are waiting to jump, just take the plunge today. Give the direction to them, Ruchi, and in case they need more, call me. I am there to help you. I am there to help them. I am there to influence them, inspire them, and take them on the journey of financial freedom for themselves.
Sir, I want to end this conversation and our this sharing with one doha which I learned from Kabir. He said, "Gunge keri sharkara, खाए और मुस्काए, गूंगे केरी शर्करा खाए और मुस्काए, जब मैं था तब हरि नाए, जब हरि है तब मैं नाए."
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत
So it's all about your magic which is already started, and yes, we will be working together. And thank you so much, all the viewers. I want to say that this video, this recording is available to everyone, those who are connected with direct selling industry on a School of Financial Freedom platform. Harish Mehta, who shared his experience, India's #1 leading coach, mentor, and speaker, works with n number of people and also willing to help on this platform to you about creating wealth for your life, creating a massive change for your life. Take a plunge into direct selling industry. Let's grow together. Thank you so much.